Yes, so here we go. It's our Samsung tablet. Yeah, it's black color. And yeah, it's quite nice print. I like the colors, I like everything. Yeah, it's budget tablet, but here are the specs. Okay, so we have 32 gigabytes internal RAM, Wi-Fi version, because I don't need LTE, and this is bought by myself for read books. So yeah, I chose 10.1 inches because 8 inches has not even full HD display, so I thought why not to go with a bigger one. 8 megapixel back camera with autofocus, 5 megapixel front end camera, 2 GB of RAM, 32 ROM as I said before, 6150 milliampere hour battery, and Dolby Atmos sound effects. It got speakers, stereo speakers, but they're on one side. Okay, let's take a look what's inside. Okay, this is the Samsung print. I kind of like it. Okay, yeah, here's the tablet itself. Okay, let's put that aside and take a look what's inside. Okay, we have USB-C charger. Very good, that is USB-C. And it's, let me look, it's 1.558. So it's really not a fast charger, but still a little bit faster than simple charger. For example, Apple has 1, I believe, amperes. Okay, so there's nothing more, just here. Oh, this is the injection tool to get the SD card inside, because it supports up to 512 gigabytes SD cards. Yeah, so for 40 euros you can have really 250 gigabyte extra on your tablet. Okay, it's nothing there. It's Lithuanian manual, Latvian manual, and Estonian manual, and warranty card. So I believe it's nothing too fancy there. How to eject, how to press. Yeah, and of course the information where to put and where not to put your batteries and your used tablet. Okay, let's take a look at the tablet itself. Yes, put that to the side, and here we go, the tablet itself. Okay, it should, yeah, it slides out. Nice. Let me play a little bit with the lights. Okay, and here we have it. It's quite heavy, 468 grams, but not as heavy as the iPad for $399, and this cost I bought it in internet. It was 991 euros, and it's metal chassis, like metal body. It's like really sturdy, really good. Okay, let's turn it on. See how the display look. I already got it pre-installed. It should be with my account. Okay, Samsung. Bam! And we got it. Okay, the screen looks really bright, and I kind of like it. Okay, we can turn on the YouTube, for example. Okay, let's take my personal account. And I recommend getting YouTube Premium because it's so much better to to watch YouTube without all these ads. So really, you should get YouTube. Okay, let's take a look at some I don't know 8K video to get a placebo effect on the full HD. Okay, LG. Maybe yeah. So maximum quality which we can choose is 1080p. So it's not that bad. Okay. Using full screen mode, home, back, and recent buttons are hidden to minimize visual distractions. Okay. Wow, okay. Oops. Sorry, my bad. Wow, the quality is really good. And the speakers, can you hear? Quite vibrant colors, of course not so good as more expensive tablets, but yeah, sounds quite nice. Yeah, and it's really stereo speakers. Yeah, it's really stereo speakers because when I cover one side, the other side plays. Yeah, quite nice. Yeah, yeah. If you have one moment, let's try gaming. Oh, you know what? Let's do a separate video when I do a review of Samsung Galaxy Tab. And if you want that video to come, just send me a comment that if we want the benchmarks with the FPS or something, how games are going. So if you want that video, just write a comment, drop a like, subscribe, and I'm gonna do it in a couple of weeks. If you see this video later, just search somewhere, or right now on the end of the video I put a place where you can subscribe, and if you went this far, yeah, there should be a link to the next video where I show you how this awesome tablet performs. Thank you. That was Samsung Galaxy Tab A 10.1 inches 2019 unboxing.